Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Concept. Today we will be learning about blue chips mutual fund and are they a good investment options? Okay, but before that, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link of Concept Wealth application. In the application, you will find some really good tools that will help you out in your investment journey. Okay, now at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can contact us on this number and we will be there to sort your queries out. Okay, now let's get back to today's session, that is the blue chips mutual fund, or are they a good investment options or not, right? So before that, what are these blue chips mutual fund? Okay, हम इनके ऊपर बात तो कर रहे हैं, बट ये है क्या blue chips mutual fund? Okay, now अगर मैं म्यूचुअल फंड को छोड़ दूं, let's talk about this blue chips. Okay, now blue chips, these are those stock या फिर वो कंपनी which are well reputed in the market, ठीक है, which have shown a very good past records, ठीक है, and you can say for example, अगर मैं आपको example दूं तो let's suppose IBM, you must have heard about it, okay, then McDonald's सबने सुना होगा, ठीक है, then you must have heard about Coca-Cola, right? So these are all the stocks which are called the blue chips. Okay, in market they are also known as the Ritik stock, because Ritik stocks, right? Because we know that these stocks will not be impacted by any major, अगर कोई भी मेजर वोलेटिलिटी आती है मार्केट में, मेजर प्रॉब्लम आती है, सो दीज स्टॉक्स विल नॉट बी अफेक्टेड दैट मच, ठीक है. इन स्टॉक्स में क्या होता है, दीज स्टॉक्स विल बी हैविंग लो वोलेटिलिटी, ओके, एंड स्टेडी growth. It means they will not show you a very significant growth in the market, but they are having a steady growth. They are steadily moving upwards. Okay, so people likes to invest in this type of mutual fund. Okay, in mutual funds which are investing in these type of blue chip companies, right? So is it worthy to invest in these mutual funds or not? Okay, so let's see. Now if I'm talking about these type of mutual fund which is related with the blue chips, or that is known as the blue chip mutual funds, right? So if they are giving you low volatility and at the same time of steady growth, so yes, it is a good option. Yes, it is a good option for the people who don't want to risk their capital and who are having low risk profile, right? Who are having low risk profile, it is very good for those people, right? And at the same time, if they want a steady growth, ठीक है, steady growth, okay, steady growth, so it is a good thing for them, right? तो अगर उनको रिस्क कम चाहिए, एक स्टडी ग्रोथ चाहिए, एंड इफ दे वांट टू इन्वेस्ट देयर कैपिटल फॉर अ लॉन्गर रन, ठीक है, इफ दे वांट टू इन्वेस्ट देयर कैपिटल फॉर अ लॉन्गर टर्म, सो देन द ब्लू चिप्स म्यूचुअल फंड कैन बी अ गुड ऑप्शंस फॉर देम, ठीक है. तो होता क्या है, देन देयर विल बी अ फंड मैनेजर, ठीक है, जिसके पास आप अपना पैसा दोगे, ही विल इन्वेस्ट देयर मनी इन दीज टाइप ऑफ इन दीज टाइप ऑफ ब्लू चिप्स स्टॉक्स के अंदर वो इन्वेस्ट उनको करेगा, राइट. नाउ देयर इज वन थिंग जो वेयर द मैनी पीपल और मैनी इन्वेस्टर्स आर कंफ्यूज्ड कि देयर इज वन मोर टाइप ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द इंडेक्स म्यूचुअल फंड. Okay, so what is the difference between index mutual fund and what is the difference between this blue chips mutual fund? Okay, what is the difference between this blue chips mutual fund? Now when I'm talking about the index, okay, it is also replicating the performance of your index. For example, market की जो performance है उसको copy कर रहा है, that is your Nifty 50. It means the fund manager is not doing the active type of work here. He is just replicating the performance of this Nifty 50. Like whatever the stocks is giving a good result in Nifty 50, he is just investing in those type of stocks, right? Now, when I'm talking about blue chips mutual fund, so these are actively managed. Okay, these are not passively managed, but managed actively. Right, so these are a good options because in this there are a various type of researches, there will be dividend also, right? So if you are an investor which is having a blue chip mutual fund, so there are more chances that you will be getting dividends per time also, right? But in index fund, if you are going with the Nifty 50, it will just be replicating the performance of Nifty 50, ठीक है. तो अगर किसी टाइम पे the Nifty 50 index is performing good, you will get good returns. If it is not, at that time you will getting low returns in your investment, right? So that is one of the things that you have to take care of. ओके, सो इफ अगर आप मुझसे पूछो कि क्या ये अच्छा ऑप्शन है, तो आई विल टेल यू यस. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग विद दोज स्टॉक्स, यू आर गोइंग विद दोज फंड मैनेजर which is investing your capital in blue chips. It means with those stocks which have good past records, okay, जो steady growth आपको देते हैं, but there are more chances that it will not be impacted by the market conditions. अगर कल के दिन कुछ भी बहुत ज़्यादा कंडीशन सिनेरियो मार्केट में इन्फ्लेशन आता है, आपका कुछ भी कोई अनडिफाइंड इवेंट आ जाता है, so these blue chips mutual fund will be the ones that will not be impacted that much, right? So if you are having a lower risk profile, रिस्क नहीं लेना है ज्यादा, स्टडी इनकम चाहिए, ज्यादा नहीं बट एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट, सो एट दैट टाइम यू कैन गो विद द ब्लू चिप्स म्यूचुअल फंड, राइट? सो आई होप आज का कॉन्सेप्ट आपका क्लियर हो गया होगा. इफ अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई, यू कैन लाइक द वीडियो, यू कैन शेयर योर व्यूज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एज वेल. ओके, इफ यू आर न्यू टू द चैनल, यू कैन सब्सक्राइब इट एज वेल. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, दिस इज योर ट्रेनर अंकित सिंह रावत. हैव अ गुड डे.